Hey, I wanted to talk about a problem that exists in Toronto. So recently, there have been a lot of reports of white vans and attempted abductions at night. Specifically, there have been reports by women, but I also know of some cases where children and men have been abducted, apparently. So I decided to do something about it because the police aren't, and so I've created Bachao. Bachao is an easy way to record your location. Let's say you're in a scenario where there's an attempted abduction. Um, you want to be able to, one, recall the event or record the location in a way that's very simple and you don't have to worry about anything except for pressing a big red button. So I've created something that does that. And then the next thing you should be doing is running away, because you don't really want to be in that area anymore. So uh, when you're in a safe area or when it's safe to do so, you can open that back the app, and whether or not you're online when you're recording the location won't matter. But when you're in an area that's safe and you have internet access, you can sync your location after. And what this does is it sends information to a server over here that allows you to record your data automagically into the cloud. And so what that does is we start getting data that we can kind of show to someone who actually gives a damn about the city, and maybe we can start some investigations. So my goal of creating this app is to basically, one, set up a very trivial way to record that information, and to present it to someone eventually. So I'll just demo the app quickly. So this is going to be available on iOS and Android. Sorry about that. So when you first start up the app, it'll ask for some permissions to use the application. I don't store any personal data or anything crazy like that. All the code is open source, so you can view it online. Uh, what you can do here after you've given permissions is record your location, and you'll get a notification saying whether or not that operation was successful. And then let's say you're running away and now you're in a safe location that has internet access, so you can sync your location. Your cloud sync status will be successful, hopefully. And I'll just show you on the back end what's happening here. You can see here the only data that's being uploaded is this. So this is location data. And yeah, let's go back to the simulator. So once your data is synced, you should be able to see the data on the backend server. And yeah, that's pretty much it.